So, so Kevin Bacon, who's the prosecutor, objects because those witnesses have not been disclosed up till this point, and so that's typically unusual. But then Demi Moore talks about the fact that wait a second, these witnesses were not identified, but they're rebuttal witnesses of a specific point that the prosecution put on earlier in the case. And so that is allowed typically. You can bring in witnesses that you could not anticipate having to bring in, and so therefore you wouldn't have put them on a witness list. You can call those witnesses if they're in rebuttal to some point that the other side has put in. And so that would be allowed. Now, it's interesting also, you see in this movie that the two witnesses are sitting there in the gallery. That would not happen. You would not have the witnesses in the courtroom watching the other witnesses testify. Typically, the witnesses would be out in some sort of a waiting room or a holding area before being allowed into the courtroom.